Welcome back to Frost Garage, y'all. So we're back here on the Colorado. I've already took the brake shoes off. If you was here for the last video, you saw that it had damage to the pinion bearing on the back where it was pitting. And she was roaring, making a lot of noise. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna shoot out the sunshine real fast. It's a local pick and pull for me. It's like 2 miles down the road from my house. And you can get stuff pretty cheap out there. And we're gonna go find a rear axle. Sunshine is pretty massive. They got thousands of cars out there. In fact, I'll put a quick little picture of it overhead on Google Maps and just let y'all see how massive a pick and pull it is. But that's where we'll be heading. Okay, so we're gonna be loading up some tools and go ahead and start packing up to go get that pulled out. Just for blue collar hot rods, he gave me crap about not wearing gloves in the last video because of how nasty my hands got. I got me some rubbers to wear. So hopefully there won't be no little tadpoles running around here now. I'll slap some of those on to try to keep my hands as clean as possible. But yeah, this is also my new storage cabinet. I've been stocking up with stuff to have. So let me grab a tool bag and we'll load up and get ready to go grab a rear axle. So I got this one here. It's already got all the stuff off the side of it because they charge you extra for that stuff. And you can turn it by hand. And it's quiet, so we're good to go there. So yeah, this is gonna be my victim. I'm gonna shoot all the stuff's already taken off the back, so it should be easy. Just pop the U-bolts loose and pick it up off of there. I got them coming with the forklift now to pick it up in the air so I can finish taking it loose. And then we'll get it loaded up and take it back to the shop. All right, so we made it back from Sunshine. We got the rear axle right here. Also, while I was out, I stopped at Harbor Freight. So they got some Black Friday deals. I got me the roll cart as well as the hutch finally came in for my toolbox. So stay tuned for an unboxing video on that and we'll review the roll cart and everything and take a look at that. Like I said, like, subscribe, and I'll keep having content come out for you guys for stuff like this. But anyways, like I said, we got the axle here. Took all the shoes and everything off so they wouldn't charge us extra for that stuff. And we are gonna go ahead and try and get this one out. So I already got it on the jack stands ready to go. So let's lay up under there and start taking her loose. Just realized I wasn't wearing my gloves. Brian, don't yell at me. If you didn't know, Brian is the guy from Blue Collar Hot Rods. He does some build content and stuff, and he does some Silverado and racing stuff as well. So go check out his channel if you hadn't seen him yet. And he does a bunch of cool content as well. So I'm gonna go on ahead and put these on so he don't yell at me again. Especially after I already talked about him in the beginning of the video that I was gonna wear them. All right, the axle's completely disconnected from the truck. The only problem I'm having is this back hanger bolt is seized up in there with rust. So I'm gonna see if I can just get it over top this leaf spring and set it on the ground, and then we'll pull it out. Okay guys, so we got the axle on out of it. Had to rough handle it a little bit there. Scratched up my new floor, sadly. But it's a shop, it's gotta get work done. So now, I'm gonna go try to manhandle the new axle up in there, get it in place and get it hung up, start putting the brake lines and everything back on. And yes, that's why my back is so bad. Gloves are failing me, Brian. Okay guys, so we got it all buttoned up. I had my dad come help me bleed the brakes and everything, and then I slapped the wheels on. So I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all underneath, let y'all see how it sounds. It should be quiet now. Also, I found out that this is a rear end that I grabbed, has a locker in it. I did not know that when I grabbed it. So you might hear it lock up and then unlock because there's no load on the wheels right now. So if one gets spinning faster than the other, it'll lock together. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sit y'all down and listen for the noise. Okay guys, so as you hear, it's quiet, and if you watch, this wheel is slow down to stop spinning. And see how it's trying to lock it up whenever I try to slow this one down. So yeah, now I got a locker. So All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And we're gonna move on to the next project. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to do unboxing and review on that stuff from Harbor Freight, so stay tuned for that. Again, guys, just hit the like, subscribe button and stick with me. Have a good one.